Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong, Connecting Our Community. Today, I'm so delighted to have Pat Morocco from Bartell Machinery, the president. Pat, welcome to the episode.
Hi, David. I'm glad to be here. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing outstanding. We're doing well.
So tell us a little bit, Pat, just a bit of background around Bartell, and then how is all of this around COVID really impacting you guys in terms of how you're interacting with customers and employees?
Okay, just to back up, David, Bartell is an industrial machinery supplier. We're based in upstate Rome, New York, and we produce industrial machinery systems, and we basically distribute worldwide. The COVID pandemic certainly has impacted us in ways that we would have never imagined before. We have operations in China and Europe, and our headquarters is in Rome, New York. So, it's impacted our suppliers. It's impacted our customers. It's caused us to basically realign some of our supply chain, basically realign some of our operations to continue to support our customers. Luckily, we've been coded as an essential business in New York, so we've been able to stay running. But we've experienced some challenges in managing through the pandemic. We're fortunate; our employees have been healthy and safe. We haven't had any incidents, thank God. But we're exercising all precautions that are prudent for us.
So, Pat, as you look at all your conversations with your customers, your employees, and your industry peers, what's the one thing that you are taking from all of this, or what's the one question you have for everybody out there?
One of the things that I'm constantly thinking about is how does this change business going forward, or what is the new normal for manufacturers, for industry, and how are they going to run? How are they going to manage their employee assets? What type of policy changes are they going to implement during or after this pandemic?
Final question for you, Pat. Any silver lining in all this? Anything that's come out of this that at least you can look back and have a bit of a smile about?
Yeah, I mean, we've been exercising collaboration online, and seeing people's personal environment, their home, their family, their pets, getting used to teams talking when the mic is on versus off, and vice versa. Hearing some conversations that you're not supposed to hear and you're hearing and they don't realize it. And we've had some fun. We've gotten dressed up a little bit. And I was to say we had just this morning our costume contest. So, with the masks and then you put some glasses on and then voila, you can transform right on TV. So
I love it.
We're doing stuff, trying to keep it light, working remote, and so far it's been very effective for us.
Awesome. Pat, so thank you so much for being on the episode.
No, I appreciate it, David. You take care of yourself.